Fix 1. Check network connection. For online videos, first, ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or a mobile data network with a strong signal. Step 1. Open Settings Wi-Fi to check if you are connected to the correct network. Step 2. If using mobile data, make sure cellular data is turned on and the signal is strong. Step 3. If the network signal is weak, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi or switching to another network source. Step 4. If the network connection is fine and the video still won't play, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings to reset your network. Fix 2. Force quit the current video app. If your video's not playing on iPhone app glitches or errors can cause video playback to fail. Force quitting the app and reopening it may resolve the issue. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the Task Manager. Step 2. Find the video app and swipe it up to close the app. Step 3. Reopen the app and try playing the video. Fix 3. Clear app cache. If videos aren't playing on your iPhone app, try clearing the stored cache and then attempt to play the video again. Fix 4. Delete and reinstall the video app. If there is an issue with the video app itself, it may cause videos or not play on my iPhone. In this case, deleting and reinstalling the video app can sometimes resolve the issue. Step 1. Find the video app, press and hold the app icon, then tap Remove App. Step 2. Re-download and install the app from the App Store. Step 3. Reopen the app and play the video to check if it works properly. Fix 5. Free up storage space. If your iPhone doesn't have enough storage space, you won't be able to open large videos or 4,000 videos. If you find that videos are not playing on your iPhone, you can try clearing up storage space. Step 1. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage to check storage usage. Step 2. To free up space, you can delete unwanted photos, apps, and other files. Alternatively, you could try reducing the video size. Fix 6. Check video format. Sometimes iPhone videos not playing may be due to incompatible video formats, especially when local videos won't play. iPhones typically support MP4, MOV, and M4V video formats. If the video format is incompatible, you can use Video Converter Ultimate to convert the file to a format supported by the iPhone. Step 1. Download, install, and launch Video Converter Ultimate on your computer. Step 2. Click Add File and choose Add Files or Add Folder to select your video files. Alternatively, you can directly drag and drop the video files into the program. Step 3. Click the Format button next to the video file and choose a preset from the available options, such as MP4. To adjust format settings, click the gear icon. Step 4. Set the destination folder at the bottom, then click Convert All to begin. Fix 7. Clear Safari history. If video's not playing on iPhone Safari, clearing the history may help restore video playback. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Safari. Step 3. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Step 4. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Fix 8. Update or restart the iPhone. If you find that your iPhone 15/16 is not playing videos, try updating or restarting the device to resolve any potential software problems. To update your iPhone, open Settings, General, Software Update to check for available updates. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button or the power button and volume button, depending on your iPhone model. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Fix 9. Use iOS System Recovery. If other methods don't resolve the issue, a system malfunction may be preventing the video from playing. In this case, you can use iOS System Recovery to fix the iPhone system issue without data loss. Step 1. After installing the software, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Select Standard Mode and click Confirm to continue. The tool will begin downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the download is complete, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve the iPhone videos not playing issue without any data loss. Fix 10. Contact Apple Support. If you've tried all the methods and the issue persists, it's recommended to contact Apple Support. Professional technical support can help you resolve the issue of iPhone videos not playing.